How to buy cryptos before they go viral. Yeah, in today's class, I'll be talking about something really interesting, how you can be part of a big project or a big crypto before it goes viral. Remember Trump coin, remember Not coin, remember Ton coin. All of these cryptos were once very, very small, like even Pi. Okay. Now in today's class, I will show you how to buy cryptos before they go viral because you get to buy them cheaper and you get to earn a lot of money when they become a big thing. Now, last week I shared something. I'm going to open my phone. Okay, I'm going to link that video in the description. I shared how you can buy from CoinMarketCap, how you can see analytics from CoinMarketCap of certain cryptos. Now, a lot of people made cool money on Trump coin, Melania coin, and many things. Now, I shared that one of the first ways you can actually get notified of these things is to come on the N area on CoinMarketCap. And once you're on the N area, you can see click on exchange listing, and of course, once you're on exchange listing, you can see different exchanges will be listing different coins. All right. If you go down, in fact, I've made a video about this. That video will be in the description. This place shows you that this particular crypto will be launching on Bing X. Bond X will be launching on Bing X on February 21. All right. And on that day, definitely this particular crypto will go up in price. So if you can buy Bond X now, you will earn a little bit of monies on that day, and you can even sell it on that day. All right. Now, to understand how all this profit comes up and how to make money doing this, the video I've made on this particular topic will be in the description. All right. Now, but there are some people who actually said they can't find. In fact, some of these cryptos come late on CoinMarketCap and they cannot find where to buy it on time. All right. Now, in today's class, I'll show you three platforms where you can buy cryptos before they go viral. All right. Now, a lot of people know about your the other Solana app. I don't know, forgotten the name. Okay, I'll remember it later. And there are also many of them. But today I'll show you three platforms you can buy cryptos before they go viral. But I'll just go down and show you what has happened here in the past, and you can see there are a lot and lot of projects that have launched here that made more money. Okay, for example, you can see Trump coin launched on Binance on the 19th of January. So assuming you have purchased this maybe on the 10th of January or even 18th of January, you'd have made a lot of profit. Now, where would you see Trump coin to buy before that day? All right. So let's go straight into this three website I'll be showing you. Now, you can actually, most people use their Phantom app or Phantom, but I'm going to show you something more superior. Come to your Chrome browser, and there are three platforms I'll be showing you. The first one is GMGN. So you can just go type GMGN on your Google, and of course, you can actually make use of GMGN. Now you can connect your Telegram, and there are three I'll be showing you. The last one is practically my best. Okay. Now, here on GMGN, you can see coins that there are so many of them, guys. So many of them. For example, you can see this one, PEAI. You can see it was launched 21 hours ago. You can see the market cap and everything. Now you can even come here and see trending coins, new coins, copy trade. There are lot of things on GMGN. So you can just connect your wallet with them, and then you can buy whenever you want to buy. Now let's say there's a new coin. I'm going to click on new, and this is new on this area. And of course, when there's a new coin, you get to see it first. If you come on this new area, click on new, then give it some time to load up. You can see that their coins that are being launched almost every like in few seconds. A new coin has been launched, although this takes some time because I'm using a phone. Okay, you can actually use a system so that it can be fast. You can use a PC so that it can actually be fast for you. Okay, but if you click on new, basically you find all the new coins that have been listed, that have been created the last 1 hour, last few minutes, and of course sometimes few seconds, and their market cap value is really low. Okay, so after that, we're going to talk about another particular exchange that you can actually use. I'm going to refresh this particular one because I want to show you how new coins are launched on this exchange, on this particular app. Okay, I'm going to cancel. Okay, so this is where you can find those coins before coin market cap even talk about them. Okay, so for example, you can see this particular one was launched 15 seconds ago. This one was launched 17 seconds, 19 seconds, 20 seconds. Now, not everybody can buy from this particular platform, all right, because you don't know how to. In another class, I'll show you how to buy, but you can basically connect your wallet. Of course, you know how it works when you connect wallet, and it is actually nice. The name is GMGN. All right. So this is the first platform I actually would say you can make use of. All right. Now let's go straight to the second one, which I also talk about, called the Bull X. Now the problem with Bull X is that you cannot see anything except you have connected your wallet. Okay, except you have connected your wallet. So it is actually still very good and very safe, just like the GMGN. But I don't really like any of them, any of these bots, because they want you to connect your Telegram wallet, your Telegram account most of the time, which might be some kind of privacy issues or something. But it is actually nice. All right, I don't just like having so much messages on Telegram, because I also do have a lot of things, personal stuff to do on Telegram. Okay, so that is just my stuff. That is why I just don't make use of these two well. But a lot of people make use of it, and it is a very good tool, a very good place to see new coins. All right. Now, the last particular one I'm talking about today is the this one called Autosnipe. Okay, Autosnipe. It is actually nice. Autosnipe.ai is perfectly nice for a lot of people. Now, this is practically my best, and this is where I find new coins before they go viral. If in fact I saw Trump coin here, all right, but I didn't buy in time because I didn't know that it was going to do so well. But basically, this is where you will get to monitor them and of course see what or how they are doing. There are many things you can see here, so many. And if you click on the hamburger sign, which is sitting just at the left hand side, you'll be able to see a lot of options like connect, where you can connect your wallet to buy. Then you can see trending coins, new pairs. Just basically what you just need is trending coins and new pairs. I think this copy trade, I'm going to talk about it another time. So you can learn how to copy trade many coins and of course earn from it. Now you can see if I click on trending, you can see the ones that have been trending, and then you can select the hours you want to choose. You can see this crypto that have been trending for 6 hours, you click on 6 hours, 24 hours, you click on 24, 1 hour, 5 minutes. Now if you see, now we're on 6 hour time frame, and you can see you can even hide scams, which means if there's any potential scam that this particular site has notified, you can click on hide scams and hide log pools. And of course, I'm going to click on it, click on this one. So it means all the rug pulls and scam coins will be hidden. You will not be able to find them, so you don't invest in something that is not cool for you. Okay. Now you can see buy now, buy now. There are a lot and lot of things here. Transaction volume. Now you can even see the market cap value. For example, this one has just a little market cap value. Okay. So these are the three platforms you can actually spot cryptos before they go viral. Now, if you don't know how to use these platforms to buy, I'll be making another video on how to do so. Now you have to give this video a like. If we get to like 100 likes, definitely I'm going to make that video, and of course um, I'm going to know that you are interested in seeing how to buy those coins before they go viral. Now, meanwhile, I shared how you can improve your capital from $50 to so much money buying cryptos before they go viral. The link to watch that video will be in the description. So go to the description, you'll find that link. Click on it, you'll know how to use these tools. And you'll know how these videos connect to themselves. Alright, so that you can actually make more profit online. Now, give this video a like if you love what we're doing, and of course, if you want to support us. Now, do have a very wonderful day, and I will see you on another one. Don't forget that there are other crypto apps you can use like Phantom. People will ask, can I use Phantom? Yes, you can use Phantom. Phantom will help you also buy those cryptos. Okay, but there are places that you even see it before it is on Phantom. Right, you even see it before it's on Uniswap, pancake swap, and all of that. So, and these are some very good examples of such places. All right, and I'm so happy to bring them to you because it is going to be very nice for you at the end of the day. Now, don't forget that I am not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. We are just doing these things based on research, past performance, past profit, and everything. And maybe it can get you some monies or maybe not. All right, but these are just from our own research, and this video is basically for educational and research purposes. I am not an advisor, so you must always do your own research. Now do have a very wonderful day, guys, and definitely I'll see you on the next one.